Thank you in advance for watching this video. Watch to the end, so we may introduce ourselves as a team and company. Welcome to your dream Bulgarian home for sale in the picturesque village of Berkovski, Popovo. Nestled in the heart of Bulgaria, this charming property offers breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside and the majestic Stara Planina mountains. With its serene location just 18 kilometers from Popovo town, this village is the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and embrace the tranquil beauty of rural Bulgaria. This two-story house boasts traditional Bulgarian architecture and is perfect for those seeking a peaceful retreat in the countryside. The first floor features a cozy kitchen, a room with an open fireplace, and a spacious basement, while the second floor offers a large balcony, a kitchen with a living room, a corridor, 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, and a toilet. With ample space for living and entertaining, this home is ideal for families or anyone looking to enjoy the laid-back lifestyle of village living. Outside, the property offers plenty of space to relax and unwind. The expansive garden spans nearly 3,000 square meters and is dotted with fruit trees, providing plenty of opportunities for gardening enthusiasts to indulge their green thumb. There are also numerous outbuildings and storage areas, as well as a garage that has been converted into a cozy coffee area, perfect for enjoying your morning cup of coffee while soaking in the beautiful surroundings. In the front garden, you'll find a charming swing and a table where you can sit and enjoy the fresh air and sunshine. Whether you're hosting a barbecue with friends or simply relaxing with a good book, this outdoor space is sure to become your favorite spot to unwind. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own your own piece of paradise in Bulgaria. Come and visit this Bulgarian home for sale today and start living the life you've always dreamed of.
Allow us to introduce ourselves to you, so you have an idea of whom you are dealing with. Welcome to yet another No Thrills video taken by John, Joanna, or Poppy for our site bg.house. The company name is Nyama Problemi Ltd, which when translated, means no problems. Our property website is www.bg.house. All properties offered to you are 100% freehold. And we have been selling properties for 20 years. So we have all the experience to help in any situation. Our main office is located in the town of Popovo. Popovo is a small but busy town with a village-like community with a feel. An outlook which of course is a very safe environment to live, work and play. Whether as a retiree, young couple, or even as a child attending school. There's a lot to be said for the area of Popovo, which is in Targovishte. As Bulgarian edges closer to adopting the euro, property prices are on the move. Although there are some low-end investments still being offered on the market these days, they are becoming less and less as the prices are on the rise. As you watch the videos of these low-end properties, you may find yourself shocked by the state of the houses or the grounds, with literally rubbish left behind as they had not been cleaned out prior to being offered for sale. Or the gardens are all overgrown. Well, believe it or not, that is very good news for any low-end investor or purchaser. This means you are looking at a property with the scope to make a profit. Or buy it at its absolute lowest market price. With no more than a few days' work cleaning and moving rubbish. The property itself can be resold at a profit. Without a massive outlay on repairs, this is just one way to make a profit with ease. We are always on hand to offer advice if needed. On the other hand, there is an unbelievable demand for finished properties that are ready to move into. So again, the real estate market is well worth looking into. There seems to be something for everybody. Please subscribe to our channel below and visit our website. There will be a link below and see what there is for you.